And so that's pretty much it. We were left out when he finally succumbed.
It must be hard to get so close. I mean, to be just teetering on the edge.
Yeah, it was really devastating emotionally for quite a while. It really, really was a body blow, but I've had to recover from several of those in the course of these 12 years. So, it's just another one of those things that people are going to look back and say, geez, God, how do you recover from that? But, you just do. You just find a way. You just reach down inside and you say, look, we've got to move forward. We've come too far. And so you pick yourself up, you dust yourself off, and you try to find another way, and that's what we're doing now.
Yeah, you've been pounding this out previous to the Star Child, with all your work with everything is wrong. But specifically with the Star Child skull, you've been pounding this out for 12 years, pretty much on your own dime.
Right, pretty much, yeah.
And that must be difficult.
It's nobody said it's not. If it was easy, anybody could do it. It's a hard job, I've known, like I said, pretty much since '99 that we had the right thing, that it was going to pay off if I could just find a way to prove it. I mean, knowing it and being able to prove certain aspects of it, but not being able to prove it in an overwhelming way. You know the old scientific thing, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So they don't just take any kind of evidence off of this. It's an extraordinary claim. We need extraordinary evidence, and we're going to get it with the DNA. So we're going to win. I mean, there's no question about it. We're going to win. As soon as we have the money to put it in the hands of the right people that we've lined up, it'll all fall into place, and we'll get it done.
Well, that's great, Lloyd. I for one, am glad you're doing it, and I look forward to every bite's of pie just to see what you're doing and see how it's going. I'm riding the highs and the lows, and it's been a hell of a ride.
It's been a hell of a ride. You're right, exactly that, and more to come. But it's a good, safe harbor at the end of it, and that's what counts. We're gonna do it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we gotta close up this week's program, and I very much appreciate Lloyd for joining us. I hope we can get back. I tell you what, when you do find out the DNA sequencing to wherever you need it to be, and make that discovery, I want to hear from you. I want to have you on the radio and talk about it. After,
listen, I got to be honest. I have to be honest with you, Scott. When we have that, we're going to be going on Larry King and Oprah and all those things with it. Everybody's going to know about it.
More power to you. More power to you. I think you should be. Everybody, your phone's going to be ringing off the hook. You'll be a very busy man, but just keep a slot open for me, will you?
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we'll see what we can do. But listen, it's great talking to you. It's been a good interview. I wish you very well with your show, and just keep knocking them out of the park. And I know that you'll rise in this field for sure.
I appreciate your time, and if you want to just give your websites again and your email and
it's www.starchildproject.com, www.lloydpye.com, LLOYD PYE, P as in Paul, YE. And then the ebook is called The Star Child Skull Essentials. The video, Bites of Pie is the mailing list. Get on the mailing list, and you'll know when anything comes out that's worth seeing or getting or learning relative to the Star Child or the other things that I do.
And looking forward to your next book, Everything You Know Is Still Wrong.
Okay. Right.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, guys, listen, thanks a lot, and we'll do it again sometime.
Okay. Next week we're going to be having two shows on December 14th. We'll be doing our regular show and another show earlier in the day at 3:55 p.m. Pacific. It'll run to 5:55 p.m. and Pacific, and it'll be with Bill Ryan, who'll be joining us for a live webinar with BBS Radio listeners and Project Avalon forum members. They will be able to ask Bill Ryan questions live on PA Chat. You'll have to log in to do the text chat, but all the information for that is on the website, www.spectrumradionetwork.com. Bill will answer those questions live on the radio, This is a much-anticipated event by Project Avalon members and should be very exciting. And then at our regular time, we'll be talking to Alan Seinfeld, who has a show on BBS previous to ours. And, just check out the website, www.spectrumradionetwork.com, and look under upcoming guests. That's it. We're out. Good night, Tom.
Good night, Scott.
We'll see you all next week.